Yeah, these type of garden hose right here are absolute garbage. They burst all the time. The quality is horrible. Even though they can actually stretch to 100 feet to 250 feet, but the tubing inside of them, the lining inside of them is very horrible, and they burst. So you're looking at one that just burst on me, and I'm gonna show you exactly the best quality product to buy. Please do not buy these. These are not worth your time. Eventually they will burst on you and you will be wasting money buying uh, another garden hose of that sort. So it's spring season and you're looking to do some gardening, looking to water your plants or looking to water the grass. These will work for a few months, but as the temperature changes, gets from cold to hot, hot to cold in the spring months, these will eventually burst and fall apart. So you don't want to have those. You want to have something that lasts a long time with a better warranty on them. So I called the warranty company on these and they couldn't do anything. So I'll show you guys exactly what I ended up buying. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves and stuff like that. Today we're going to be talking about garden hose and which ones to buy. The flexible ones and the ones that are actually retractable are not it. So I just learned that the hard way. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute what I mean by that. This is a way better alternative than the ones I showed you earlier. These perfect hose right here, the fiber series, practically they're 50% lighter in weight than most garden hose, with the exception of the garden hose that I showed you earlier. Those are the ones I showed you earlier, a little lighter than this, but the quality's crap. So it's a half-inch inside diameter, so you get a lot of psi water pressure through the hose itself. I believe it's 600 psi as it's stated in the box, and it has metal fittings. Of course, it's all weather. It's kink resistant, twist resistant. Yeah, so it's abrasion resistant, so you can drive your car over this. Nothing will happen to it. And if as the temperature changes, this will not burst in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. And as far as chemically is concerned, this is also good for the environment. If you could see here, it's BPA-free. It's phthalate-free. Yeah, it's very flexible, and it can goes down to 0 degree Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's perfect. If you have a reel, you could fit this in your reel and reel everything in once you're done using it. But this is actually awesome. I'm gonna actually showcase to you how I'm gonna add this to my reel. Stay tuned, guys. All right. Now that I've gotten the old hose off the reel itself, now it's time to put the new one in there. Gotten it out the box. It's on the floor right now because that's where it belongs. And I'm gonna actually attempt to screw this in with one hand. Oop. And just like that, I got it on and fully hooked onto this now. And we got our uh, hose in there. That's the older hose. That's the new one, the black and red Chicago Bulls colors. Of course, this fully black one is trash. So I'm gonna find a way to dispose that. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. In regards to these hoses right here, you could actually reel it easy using the reel without a problem. So that's pretty much how that works in a nutshell, and it's all 100 feet of it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on reeling, enjoying the rest of my day mowing, watering the lawn. Enjoy, you guys. All right, guys, this is the end result. This is the hose fully reeled onto the reel itself, and using the sprinkler right now, attached to the sprinkler, and actually sprinkling my grass, because there are a couple dry spots that I wanted to fill in and pretty much get water into, so we could actually grow the grass at an even pace, so to speak. So with that being said, this is the end result of the video. I'm gonna leave the link of this actual hose in the description below, so you can get you one if you're interested as well. Enjoy, guys.